Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Facebook account is active, verified, and you have your Hoyoverse login details. Once done, open the Hoyoverse Account Center on your browser or in-game account settings. Tap or click Account Linking and choose Facebook from the list. You do this first because it prompts Facebook authorization immediately. It saves a step later and prevents partial links. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook profile in the browser or app before proceeding to the authorization screen. Next, you'll complete the authorization flow. When Facebook's dialog appears, read the permissions and grant access so Hoyoverse can confirm identity and sync data. If Facebook asks, choose the public profile and email permissions. This ensures account recovery works. Once authorized, Hoyoverse may require email verification or two-factor confirmation. Follow those prompts. You should also check that the email on Facebook matches the one on Hoyoverse, because mismatches can block full linkage and cause duplicate account flags later on. To finish, open Hoyoverse account settings and confirm Facebook shows as linked. Then log out and log back in to ensure the session recognizes the link and that cloud saves or cross-save features are active. If any part fails, try unlinking and relinking after clearing the app cache or using an incognito browser window. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see duplicate accounts or failed verification, disconnect the link on Facebook settings page first. Then repeat the authorization from Hoyoverse to avoid persistent token conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.